and today we're going to be talking about the dynamic cruise control in your Prius Prime. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be talking about the dynamic cruise control in your Prius Prime. When should you use it? All the freaking time. It's an amazing feature of the vehicle. If you set your top speed to, like, say 65 miles an hour on the highway, it will maintain up to 65 miles an hour with the car in front of you and maintain a safe distance from the car in front of you to you. There are 3 levels, right? And I believe it's either 2, 3, and 4 car lanes, or 3, 4, and 5 car lanes in front of you. That's the distance. It is an amazing feature. However, there is a warning on it when you turn it on that it should be only used at highway speeds, and I disagree 100%. Most car crashes are done at slow speeds in slow traffic. This feature will prevent that. I'm dead serious, because if you're not looking down, or you're texting, or you're doing something illegal that you're not supposed to be doing, this car feature will save you from a car crash. Yes, it will. It's amazing. I think this feature is absolutely incredible. I think you should use it all the time, especially in slow traffic, because it'll slow down the car. And we are currently driving at highway speeds, and my feet are nowhere near the gas pedal and brake. I'm using the feature of the vehicle to take care of my safety, speed up and slow down based on the criteria I gave it, and it's absolutely incredible. We are in bumper to bumper, or slow traffic. I shouldn't say bumper to bumper because we're not that close, but we are close enough where the car is slowing down on its own. Now, this is amazing. Okay, an absolutely amazing feature. Now, in slow traffic, it's great. Now, the reason why I bring this up is because, like I said, if you're doing something illegal, smoking, drop a cigarette, do anything wacky that you're not supposed to be doing in the car, texting, and you're looking down, the car will stop itself. The end. It will not re-accelerate from 0. You must either tap the gas pedal or hit the resume on the stick where the cruise control is, and the car will resume as programmed. It's a huge feature that you should get used to and use. It's absolutely incredible, and I recommend it 4,000%. It's something that you should get used to and use, because it will save you one day, and you're going to thank me for letting you know about it, unless you already do. So I find this feature a huge plus. It's called the dynamic cruise control. Most newer vehicles have this. I'm not sure if it goes down to 0 miles an hour and you have to reset it up again, like restart it, because I know my wife's car in the Kia Sedona offers the same dynamic cruise control. However, it does not go down to 0 miles an hour, stop the vehicle to a stop, and I cannot restart it at 0 miles an hour and continue where it left off. So the Kia has some sort of the technology, but it doesn't have it where this one has it, where it starts it again and starts it 0 miles an hour and goes all the way. They can keep it at 4 miles an hour, this cruise control, or 1 mile an hour for that matter. It's amazing. Where am I going? I'm going the wrong way here. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this feature is something that you should consider. It's absolutely incredible. It's the best feature that I know that Toyota has that has been perfected and works extremely well. And that's pretty much it. I can't say much more about it. It's just unbelievable, and will save you from a small fender bender and hopefully risk having a car crash. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. So take care, guys, and we'll see you next time. Take care.